Okay, today we are opening up, unboxing I guess you could say. This is a T-Mobile home internet. So it uses the 4G or 5G network, and out here in the countryside on the farm we'll be able to get a lot better internet. Right now we're using another service that can really only offer us 5 meg download, which is pretty slow, and so this should be able to get us somewhere, you know, in the, geez, if we could get 10 that'd be good, but hopefully in like the 20 or 30 range. Plenty of packaging. Alright, so that's what the box looks like, and it's going to be this cylinder guy right here. It says what's inside: T-Mobile high-speed internet gateway, instructions, power adapter, Ethernet cable. Pretty standard. See here, it says that it is a NOC 5G21 gateway gray kit. It's NOK 5G21.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. Please hit the subscribe button as well as the little bell to receive notifications when more of my videos are available to watch.
So you can see here, it says on there 4G/5G. And there you can see the serial number and all sorts of other numbers that I don't know if I should show you or not. Let's open her up. Ooh, got our instructions. Very complicated. Put in your house, turn it on, download an app. Yeah, just plug it in. That's what I'm thinking it says. Some more safety and regulatory information. Basically useless paperwork. Clear that out of the way. Alright, that's all there is to it. So here we got some ports here in the back. Plug it into a UPS, I guess. Keep your system up and running. Power supply. LAN cable. There you go. That's all that's in the box. So obviously it makes more sense for this to go in the house, but since I'm going to be trying to utilize the internet from this guy out here, I thought I'd open it up and we'll get her plugged in and figure it all out. Plug my rainbowy cord I got here from a phone. let's see here. It's plugged in. I guess there's a power button here. I'll turn it on. Oh, there's something coming on the top here. A little screen. See what it says. I guess it's thinking. I'm guessing that it'll probably receive better service when it's not inside of this metal building. It's a beautiful day out there today while we're waiting for it to turn on. Still some snow on the mountains, but it's got to be at least 70 today. So let's see what this is doing. Alright, well now the T-Mobile thing is flashing. English, that sounds good. New messages. Not really sure what to do here. Can't tell where I'm supposed to touch it. There it is. Download the T-Mobile Home Internet app. Okay. Well, I guess we'll do that. You can see I've got a couple bars. Whoopsies. See, I've got a couple bars on there at the top. So we'll see if we can get internet off of it. We may need to download the T-Mobile Home Internet mobile app. Okay, so I got her set up. On the bottom of the device is kind of all the information, and the app has you scan that QR code on the bottom right there. Not sure which one it is on the screen. And you can then use that to set up the device and change all the Wi-Fi names and the default passwords and things. And it's not really required, as far as I can tell, to have the app. It just helps you change all those settings. And let's see what it says now that I've... So now on the top, it's still saying that, but let's... I don't know. I guess that's all it says. So yeah, it's working. It's not the greatest signal inside of the machine shed here, but I think it'll be a lot better once we get it out and about. So okay, so I got the T-Mobile home internet installed in the house, back over in that part. I mean, we're a pretty good separation away. I'm still getting Wi-Fi signal, and I'm able to download anywhere between 6 and 15 megabits a second from this distance. So I'd say it's doing pretty good. Time will tell, and hopefully it proves to be better than our current solution. So we haven't turned that off yet, and we're going to try this out a little bit before we make the switch. Thanks for watching. If you get a chance, please hit the like button. Go ahead and leave a comment if you're interested in getting internet in a rural location like ours here, and hit the subscribe button. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.